Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And welcome to beautiful Thompson Station, Tennessee. It's located to the southwest of the Nashville area between Columbia and Spring Hill, Tennessee. And we're here to check out that back behind me there. That big plantation-style home from the early 1800s is, believe it or not, a coffee house. It's the 1819 coffee house. Now, when you get here, you're going to see lots and lots of cars parked around here and think, oh my gosh, can there possibly be room for one more? Yes, indeed there is. First of all, you'll go into a smaller little house on the property, and that's where you'll place your drink order. It could be hot coffee or any of the other type of coffee drinks you enjoy. And I mean, you name the drink, they can make it for you here. And then they've got fresh baked goods, scones, muffins, things like that, perfect complements to your coffee drink or whatever you may be ordering. Then from there, you're going to figure out where in the heck you want to enjoy your coffee. First of all, the grounds are absolutely gorgeous. Big magnolia trees, oak trees, give lots of shade in the area, and there are lots of outdoor tables where you can sit and do a little work or just enjoy some fellowship with your friends. But you want to be sure and go inside the big plantation-style home. It is absolutely gorgeous, fully restored, plenty of internet access, big comfy couches and chairs and other workspaces. My oh my, it's an experience like no other. Again, it's the 1819 Coffee House in Thompson Station, Tennessee. I've traveled all over the country, been to lots of coffee houses, and this is no doubt one of the most unique and pleasant experiences I've ever had. So I invite you too to check it out sometime. In the meantime, keep subscribing to our channel. Also check out the podcast Love Letters to Pam. Until we do see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. And bye now from Thompson Station, Tennessee.